So when we leave from
Proper.
Which then leads us to a...
At the state of this. I mean, they call it Dusty Mountain for a reason, eh? Look at this. Dusty Mountain mixed with a bit of rain. Look at it.
Myself, the car's so filthy.
This is what happens when you park up in any little village. Like, all the kids come out and start posing by the cars for pictures. What are you giggling for already?
No, because I didn't want to look miserable when you started.
Perfect. So, guys, for a change of scenery, I've jumped in with Dan. Say hello, Dan.
Hello, Dan.
And we are leading the second group. So he's doing shout-outs on the radio, calling out what's coming up and all that sort of stuff, but also going full send at the same time. So,
all in today's work, mate. All in today's work.
In 1.5 kilometres, arrive at 17 April.
Straight onto some dodgy tarmac. Welcome to Portugal.
Left hand in the road. Not so sunny Portugal.
Not so sunny Portugal. I mean, Portugal in June, eh? I mean,
It's good though, it's washing all the COVID out here.
yes. And all the quarry off the car. Yeah, this isn't ideal.
Time to get a bit of standing water, guys. Just take it steady.
Good grief.
So I bet you're glad you put the roof up on this.
Yeah.
Hell yeah. That's the dam at the border back into Spain. We are now back in Spain. A shiny exhaust on there.
What's that? About, what's that? Quarter inch?
Turn right onto Zarpi 2222.
So do you not use the pedals?
I use the up one with my right hand,
Yeah.
but use the stick for changing down because when you've got the radio,
Well, you
can't
reach the
really
pedal
reach.
button.
It's sort of it's a bit more awkward.
So you like that?
Like that.
Like a drummer.
Go on, go on, go on, go on. Go on.
Go on, go on.
Do a skid.
Chasers, can everyone bunch up, please? We parked up, Pete, and got as close to each other as we could. That might be a good shot.
Yeah, Stuart's gone to the pub.
Which is the
They love it. They love it.
There's a gate just here, so I don't want to block the gate.
Just think if you square up against the wall, we can like reverse up against it.
or just go and park in the big car park that's got loads of parking.
Yeah. Come on, ice creams. And here come the locals, come to check it out. It's just a mental note for later. Eating ice creams in Spain, in the sun, with some posh cars and some great mates. Oh my days! Brilliant. I can't believe he let her drive it.
Oh, that's insane. That's the rugged road, isn't it?
Mate.
And she seems to be on it too. This one's better, right? Put the heart on it,
Alex.
well, before you were getting the cylinders on my car.
Yeah, I couldn't get them in the side. They were on like 4 months back stops.
Cheap advance of the sat nav, see where it's going, the other side of the mine crest.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Had a bit of rain, why not?
Had a bit of rain, it's alright.
Bit of an extra lift through there.
Just Just make sure.
Tighten out, yeah. I can't believe you're doing this with. We've got a full set of tyres.
Yeah.
And what you say you had in the back?
Trolley jack, a little ramp, socket sets, toolbox, jump leads, tow ropes.
Kitchen sink?
Kitchen sink, not quite. I've got the tap, just in case. Speed bumpers here into the village.
GT3RS holding you up again. Oh, it's that? No?
It's me holding everybody up. I've lifted.
Love those looks.
And the sun's out for 10 minutes.
Shush, Joe. Tell him to shush.
Oh yeah, sorry, I forgot. I hope I haven't just jinxed it for the two hairdressers in front of me.
I mean, they've got their roofs down as well, so I mean, it's guaranteed to rain.
Come on, and get some pace up, Team Pete.
Cool. Oscar, we can come past. Oh, yes,
Stuff
come
like that, where it just switches
Come on.
nicely.
Stabilise myself on the footwell a little bit.
I'm just using gravity.
Yeah. Oh, van.
Lingo of all things, bloody difficult.
Your favourite thing ever.
Well,
It's always a Berlingo, isn't it? It's always a Berlingo.
If I win the lottery, I'm buying you one and putting a big V8 in it.
oh wow. It's great to have both teams together.
Yes.
Actually, like a 20 car convoy.
Right, well there you go, mate. Sorry it was a bit boring.
Oh yeah, it's rubbish, mate. Really slow. Can you pick up the pace next time a bit, mate?
Yeah, I'll try. I'll try.
There we go, straight from one castle to another. This is what happens if you don't pay your bill. Junkie, what's cracking?
Oh, windscreen!
Mate,
Why,
looks like they've been shooting at you.
Exactly.
There's reception in there, and then the hotel's over there.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm loving this, man. Loving this. Gav's lost. the hotel guide says it's full of character, you've got to compare it to this place. Honestly. Drone wars.
Go away, Pete!
Get him, Pete! Get him!
Oh no!
Through the window, Joe. Through the window.
The window! Oh no, it won't let me. The round window!
Come on, Rainbow, what's through the round window today?
It's getting a bit of turbulence from the brick.
If that old film battery's not included.
Yeah!
Yes! Yes! Level 2!
Is it cosy in there, Rick? This is not made for two big blokes.